Hello guys and welcome back. Ever wondered how your phone, laptop, or smart TV instantly connects to the internet without you setting an IP address manually? It's all thanks to something called DHCP, the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Let's break it down from scratch. The moment you connect your device to a Wi-Fi network, something magical happens in milliseconds. Your device is assigned an IP address automatically. But who's assigning it? That's the job of a DHCP server. Here's how it works step by step, a process called DORA. Discover. Your device sends a "Hello, I need an IP" message. This is a DHCP Discover broadcast. Offer. The DHCP server responds with an IP offer. Hey, here's an IP you can use. Request. Your device then says, "Okay, I'd like to use that IP, please." Acknowledge. Finally, the server confirms. You're good to go. This four-step handshake happens almost instantly, often within just a few milliseconds. But DHCP doesn't just hand out IP addresses. It also assigns default gateway subnet mask DNS servers lease time. That's how long you can keep the IP. This entire process usually takes less than a second, depending on network conditions. But what if the DHCP server doesn't respond? Well, your device doesn't just give up. It assigns itself an IP address from a special range, 169.254.x.x. This is called APIPA, Automatic Private IP Addressing. It lets your device still talk to others on the same local network, but there's no internet access. In short, DHCP equals automatic IP assignment with internet. APIPA equals only local communication, no internet. Every time you walk into a cafe, your phone connects instantly. DHCP is silently doing its job. No manual work needed, just seamless internet access. And now that you know how DHCP works behind the scenes, hit that like button if this helped you. Subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations of complex tech. And as always, stay connected.